What I mostly like about Abibifahodie Adesuabea is their unique style of teaching the children. And when I say that, what I mean is they allow the kids to express themselves in their unique ways. So they do not use the one size fits all approach that you tend to find in most schools. They do understand that every child is an individual. They have a way of grasping or learning, and they go beyond their capability to try and accommodate this unique trait in every child. And by doing so, I've seen a big difference in how my two children's studying has been transformed. Previously, getting them to do maps was a challenge. You just have to mention maps, and there was some sort of trepidation, and that's been changed completely. And I think that's down to how the teachers at Abibifahodie allow the kids to express themselves. You know, they have a way of approaching maps which comes across as almost playing, and the kids respond to that in a very positive way, and I think that it's very, very commendable. I also find it quite unique in the way they allow kids to express themselves and be as open with themselves as possible. One great thing that I've also come to like about Abibifahodie is how they transition young children from toddler age to puberty age. I think that's quite unique as well. They understand the transition of a child from being a child to being almost a young adult. And so they organize stuff like, the girls are currently going through something called rite of passage, which essentially means teaching and getting the girls to know about themselves and understanding how their body works. And for me, that's a great thing, because as a parent, I've got two girls. It might be a challenge for me to do this with them, but with doing that with a group of parents, female parents, it's something that is unique about this school, and my kids have responded to that in a very great way. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Medasi.